Account locked on Varo Next Fix. You try logging into your Varo Next account to check your balance or recent transactions, but suddenly you're locked out. It's frustrating, but here's the good news: you're not alone, and the fix is actually pretty quick once you know what to do. Varo Next accounts can get locked for several reasons, usually too many failed login attempts, accessing your account from a new device, or unusual activity that triggers Varo's fraud protection system. It might feel inconvenient, but it's a built-in safety measure to keep your money secure. Here's how to fix it. First, go to the Varo login page and tap Forgot Password. Enter the email address linked to your account. Within minutes, you receive a password reset link. Click it, choose a new password, and log back in. If you don't receive the email, check your spam or junk folder. Still no luck? Make sure you're using the same email that's registered to your Varo account. Many users mix up personal and work emails, which can cause delays. If the reset doesn't work and your account remains locked, open the Varo app and contact support through the help section. You can also email their support team. I likely ask to confirm your identity with details like your full name, last transaction amount, or phone number. Once verified, your account should be unlocked within 24 hours. To avoid future issues, enable two-factor authentication, avoid multiple incorrect login attempts, and always keep your app updated. Getting locked out of Varo Next can be stressful, but remember, it's actually a good sign that your money is safe. Follow these steps, and you'll be back in control of your account quickly, ready to save, spend, and manage your finances with confidence.